In this video, we're going to talk about something that not everyone's going to expect to happen on their job site, so stay tuned. Hey, Captain P here. I'm here to help you build unique A-frames that others will envy. So if you're new here, please consider subscribing. Not that I have any of these things I'm about to mention, because you know, not me. I'm perfect. But I'll entertain you and talk about it anyway. Okay, we're going to talk about something that you're not always expecting, but it happens. And that is lack of motivation and or distractions. You know, life's going to be going on while you're building, and you've already gotten this far. So there's a person's health, there's financial troubles, there's relationship troubles, there's vices, drinking, gambling, drugs, pornography. Did I say gambling? There's a lot of different things that can and will. Weather, there's weather. You know, there's a lot of things that are going to slow you down while you're building. That's for sure. Life is going to slow you down. You got to stay focused. It's, you know, sometimes you need a little time away. It's understandable. It's coming along. I'm going to zoom out for a minute. I'm going to go like this. And you're going to see more of the A-frame. So, again, stay tuned. Got the sheathing on. Building the gable ladders. The window here going to be put in. I got it cut out. It's ready to go. See the one up there? So I'm building the gable ladders, and now I got to extend those gable ladders down, but I got some help showing up. Alright. Okay, we're on video, okay? You're interrupting. Alright. Ready? Come on in. We got a guest appearance here. First off, what I was saying just moments ago, you got to plug on. Alright, carry on. And just in the nick of time, my son Bailey and our friend Jay came over to help. We're tying up the gable ends here, the gable end ladders. How far out was it?
Pretty far out.
I think it was super far out.
Extremely far out.
So, Jay, what are you telling me? Super far out? That's my work? Super far out. Well, maybe not my best cut. Hey, check this out. Oh, let me lower the camera here. Tim and his family made this for me. Is that the coolest gingerbread house you ever saw, or what? It's structurally sound too. neat or what? Look at that. That's good people. They're good people. Cool. Cool. All right. Happy holidays. Merry Christmas. If you liked today's video, please give it a thumbs up. To find out more about YEA-FRAME, click on the link in the description below. And thanks for watching. And remember, build safely.